Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 9 of Hybrid Anatomy. Today, we are going to be continuing the histology unit and continue talking about the connective tissues, their structures, functions, and locations with the focus of the cartilage tissues, bone, and blood. Some announcements and reminders. The term will end on Friday this week. So all makeup work needs to be turned in by then. The next checkpoint for the histology book is going to be on Wednesday, November 25th. That is a remote day, and it is also a half day right before the Thanksgiving break. So I'm going to be checking your books to see what you have completed at that point. Got to make sure your connective tissues are done and all the relevant vocabulary terms are done. The next quiz and practical will take place sometime after the Thanksgiving break. Attendance trackers. Please make sure you do them and make sure you do them on the day that they are due, not the day before, not the day after. And then please make sure you're taking notes as you watch the videos on Edpuzzle. You can also work in the histology book too as you watch the videos on Edpuzzle. You can kill two birds with one stone with that way. Here's the agenda for the week. We didn't meet yesterday because it was Veterans Day. For your remote work, there'll be the next Edpuzzle video on connective tissues, all about cartilage, bone, and blood. And then there's a concept map activity for you to do on all of the connective tissues. So I included the link to last week's Edpuzzle on here because I think it will be helpful for you to review to help you complete that concept map. And there's a video that shows how to do it and gives an example of how to get started on that assignment. In class, we're going to review some of the connective tissue proper concepts. We'll go over the case study that you did last week, and we'll do some microscope work and continue working in the histology book, the virtual microscope version in class. If you have any questions on these assignments, please feel free to shoot me an email.